Hello and welcome back to the ASC Building Products e-commerce training video series. My name is Aaron and I'm one of the developers of the MyASCProfiles portal, our e-commerce site. This video will go over the basics of ordering concealed and exposed fastener panels. Let's get started. ASC Building Products produces two kinds of roll form panels, those with fasteners hidden within the design and those that have them visible. There is no real difference in the way these two are ordered, so I'll just go through an example using exposed during this demo. Clicking one of these buttons takes you to the product listing for that type of panel. Here you can scroll through and find the panel you want, as well as dig into some of the features. Click Configure to start customizing it. The available colors for the product you selected are looked up and automatically presented in this drop-down. Once you select a color, the available gauges are presented. In some cases, only a single gauge is available, so the drop-down will auto-select for you. The cut list is designed to save you time when entering long lists of cuts. Let's take a close look at it. Here's an example specification to work from. Quantity 9, total length 24 inches. Notice that when I typed 24, it automatically did the math and filled in 2 feet. You can enter data into any of these 3 columns, and they will figure out the corresponding values for you. Pressing Enter always gives you a new line, no matter which column you are currently editing, but you can click the plus button if you want. You can go back up to a previous entry by using your keyboard's arrow keys, and delete a line with Ctrl-Delete. You can also open the Fractions drop-down with a space key, and select an entry with Enter. The cut list is designed so that all data entry can be done quickly with a keyboard. A cheat sheet for the keyboard shortcuts is listed here. Now, there's something bothering me about this. The specification reads 24:9, and this cut list editor isn't laid out the same way. I can see myself getting confused and making mistakes if I keep it this way. So, to make it easier on myself, I'm going to click this little arrow here and move this total inches column until it is at the far left. There, that makes more sense. Each time I enter a longer length, the system is checking the suggested packaging. If I were to put something really long in here, like 400 inches, you can see that it now suggests using long length packaging instead. We recommend that you go with what the system suggests. If you're unfamiliar with our panel packaging options, please contact your ASC BP representative for more information. Alright, this is enough for now. Let's check the price. The cost breakdown shows any extras that may apply, as well as any discounts you qualify for. This looks good to me. The final step is to add it to the cart. You see a message that it was added, and the line item count in the cart button has been updated. We cover the cart and finalizing your order in another video. There are shortcuts here to trims and accessories, and clicking these buttons will take you to those screens with matching color and gauge already selected. We'll cover those screens in yet another video. Also, if you'd like to take a look at our product catalog PDFs, there's a shortcut containing them here. To return to the home page at any time, click the logo at the top left. That's it for this video. If you have any questions about panels that aren't covered in this video, please contact your ASC representative. As always, feel free to take a look at our other videos to learn more. Have a great day.